Folks, you know what's coming. It's me again. We got our first arrangement in a sleigh. First arrangement that stays for Christmas. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Okay, it's all out now, folks. I gotta disclose my colors in the dining room. It's gonna be the whole dining room, the two trees that go in here, and the Christmas setting and table. So we're gonna start out. You know, you buy these pine boughs and they got this big long stem. I don't like to cut these because sometimes I'll use them like this and hang them from a chandelier in a different spot. Maybe 2, 3 hang them down in. We'll see that later, but in this case I'm using it in this sleigh and I'm just bending them over like you would do. Okay, so we got one going forward and one going back. That nicely fills that sleigh. The theme for the dining room is going to be sugar plum, little violet, whisper of pink, lavender, a lot of gold, and basically, because last year the dining room was totally traditional, green and red. Green and red and gold and silver, which, you know, I don't use much of. But just the opposite this year, the dining room is void of red almost. So we're going to take our gold acanthus, and I'm inspired by the shape of the sleigh, so I can't help but, this is what I do. I key off the shape of the planter or the pot. So we have this wonderful low sweep and high sweep in the back. And if the sleigh took off, everything would be blowing back. We're going to go with 2 of these gold acanthus leaf. Get a nice bunch in the back. Now, I can't help but think about these violet and again, because of the shape of the sleigh. Too dark. Let's get this lavender trumpeted in here to see how that's going to affect our look. The plum leaf, I want to get that effect in there too. Let's see what that does. Now here's a great case of what we talked about before, where we use things over and over and over. If it works, you just have to know what works. So bright white flowers are gonna work. We'll get a little balance of those. Golden holly with the golden berries. And I probably just want to use one and get that in the middle. Got some white cushion mums. I think we'll shorten that without getting hurt. Lay that in the back. You know what? I'm gonna want this holly in the front also. That's okay. Sometimes you just gotta look. See what you like. Now I got this wonderful snowy fern piece I wanna get in there. Probably under the pine here in the front. I think I'm gonna fan it sideways. Gold, you know, can't have enough. I'm gonna bend the stem. I don't want to lose the stem or cut it. We'll use them over and over again. Where I come from, there was always thistle. Even in the winter, you'd snag your jacket on it. I wanna get that pretty wintry element in here as well. And it has a whisper. These Scottish thistle have a whisper of violet in them, if you can see it real close. We'll want to do one in the front. At least. These are long and I'm not going to want to cut them. These violet cabbage rose. Okay. We're going to bend that a little bit to conform to the bottom of the sleigh. Get that in. Here's a darker, different one. If I can get that in. Yep, in the middle where I want it. Now you know I like odd numbers because that's how it is in nature. This little cluster might just absorb that up. Another element I'd like to get in are these golden berries. Ooh. I think we have room for one more of these. On the side. Get us real close. I'm still looking for something small in the middle. Maybe these little poinsettias. I'm really getting happy with this. This theme, like I say, is going to carry through the whole room this year. How about we get really happy and add a horn in this sleigh? We need presents in our sleigh, right? How about a couple of horns? I'm liking maybe, you see, I'll talk myself into it if I keep talking. Like one more of these back here. Seems a little light. Goodness sake, almost forgot. See if this is too. Oh, that's not too overdone, is it? I think that would go in here too. Let's get that in. And our lavender we've used all year. Watch how this looks in with these colors. I see some acanthus leaves, and gold presents. Okay, Santa, you got me. We're just not quite there. There's some. Here's one with the clip. We can make sure it stays in there. get them in the middle there where they would be. Yeah, I saw that acanthus leaf. It always looks good in a sleigh. One for the other side. Gold little birdies. Here's some gold glittery pine cones. We'll do that again. What would go with this? If you were doing this, what would you put with this? Would that pink go? Room for one in the front. Sometimes they just seem to talk to you. Okay, see what that does, but it's very little. Very little, which is all I can stand. But it does go with the theme. Sugar plum, baby. All right, what would you have pulling? Then we'll have a teaser here with a tree. And folks, I'm gonna take you and show you all around.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh,
hey, if you liked our arrangement today, folks, give us a thumbs up, a comment, a hello, a share, a like. Give us a subscribe. Or send over a new subscriber. That would be good. Thanks a lot, guys and girls, for coming by. We're trying to get you moving, get you inspired. Lots more to come. And thank you, everybody. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune